project, I've set up an animation that's going to show a notification. So here, if I hit that little notification icon, my app's going to pop down and show the little notification message that I've got here. But there's a lot of situations where creating a reverse of the animation, let's say we wanted to hide the notification, would be pretty convenient. And for that, the reverse animation feature is really convenient. So in here, I've got this show notification animation that we just watched. But what I can do is I can create a reverse version of that notification. So if I select that, hit the icon for add reversed animation, and this I'm going to say hide notification, and hit OK. Now I've taken all of the same steps from this notification, the show notification, and the values have been switched around so that they are now being used to basically run the same animation in reverse. So if I just get rid of these here for a second, I can go to this OK button. Let's say when we hit OK on press, we can run the animation to hide the notification and hit finish. And so that's now in place. And if we simulate our project here, we can take a look at how that works. So we'll see our notification, and if we hit OK, it hides our notification. And that is the reverse animation feature.